The first quarter of 2026 brought major improvements across BigPicture and BigPicture Enterprise. From redesigned navigation to smarter reporting, this release cycle focused on helping teams work faster and stay aligned. Let's take a look at the biggest updates released between January and March 2026. BigPicture now comes with a completely redesigned navigation experience. Enabled modules are now available in a streamlined vertical menu, making navigation simpler and more intuitive. You can quickly switch between boxes, access configuration settings, and stay focused with a cleaner, more modern layout. Less clicking, faster navigation, and a smoother everyday experience across BigPicture. The new homepage is now even more customizable and easier to navigate. Module shortcuts can be reordered using drag and drop, so you can organize your workspace however you like. And the home box is now pinned in the recent section for faster access to your main workspace. The Reports module received several usability improvements. Tabs now have an updated look, tooltips were added for better clarity, and the Edit and Presenter mode buttons now include dedicated icons. A new Reports menu also gives quick access to creating reports, checking box details, and enabling auto-refresh. Your voice matters. With the new feedback button, you can now submit ideas, suggestions, or feature requests directly from the platform, helping us shape the future of BigPicture together. Teams can now bulk convert BigPicture tasks into Jira work items, significantly reducing manual effort when scaling project structures. This improvement helps teams move faster and standardize workflows more efficiently. With BigPicture Enterprise, you can now access contextual reports directly on the homepage and across multiple areas of the app. The homepage highlights the three most critical reports: project health, boxes by status, and OKRs by status, while additional reports, including teams' capacity and effort progress, are available throughout the app, giving teams and leaders instant visibility into delivery progress, resource allocation, and strategic execution. BigPicture Enterprise now includes a new project health report that provides a clear visual overview of project performance, using intuitive red, amber, and green indicators, making it easy to spot risks and react quickly. To sum up, the first quarter of 2026 brought major improvements across usability, planning, and reporting. And this is only the beginning. Thank you for being part of the BigPicture community. Stay tuned for more updates coming later this year.